Yes. Up.
Alrighty, okay, welcome back to another Road to 500, week 2 of Smolov Junior. This week was definitely also going to be doing a unboxing while I do this. So yeah, let's just get into it. Week 2 was definitely a lot harder than the first week, as it should be. The first 2 days, the 6x6 and the 7x5 were kind of the same, because the weights I'm doing on that are always going to be light for me at this point. So wasn't really feeling it, but my chest has just been obliterated like every single day. It just as soon as it gets a second to breathe, you're right back into it, doing all those reps and sets. So yeah, it's pretty brutal, but I can already feel like the strength difference. This week, which you're going to see in a second, 10x3 was with 345, and before I started doing this program, I was doing sets of 3 with 355, and I could only do 2 sets. The second set was like pretty much failure. So to do 10 sets of 3 with 345, only 10 less pounds, I'm feeling pretty confident that this program is definitely going to make a huge difference. I don't know why I decided to film this out here. It's hot as balls. So yeah, that's pretty much all the update I have so far. I mean, like the strength test is going to be next week. This video is going to go out, and then there's going to be one more of like the peak week. I already did day 1 of the last week of the program. So yeah, here, I'll just give you guys a rundown. It's going to be this week. This video. The next video is going to be the last week of the program, and that should be hopefully I demolish that 355, and then I get to rest from benching for like 3 days. If I need a week, I'll do a week. Some people recommend a week. My friend that taught me this, he said 3 to 4 days is fine. People on Reddit say 3 to 4 days is like the sweet spot. So I'll rest 3 days from bench completely, chest, maybe even triceps, but I don't know, that's kind of hard to do. And then I'm gonna try a raw single. My single before the program was 385 for like RP8, RP9. The goal from this first run through of the program is just to be able to bench 4 plates whenever I want, any day I want. And then yeah, go from there. So then after that is kind of like you take a break from the program, maintain strength. I'm obviously going to keep trying to get stronger from just like my own OG method. And then after like 3 weeks, hopefully maybe even 2 weeks, I'm going to do the program again. And then yeah, we go from there. That's going to be the second go through of the program is going to be brutal with the new strength. I'm going to have to start. Week 1 is going to be week 3 right now. So I got to really get going on like eating and everything. So yeah. All right, let's go into the clothes. So I kind of forgot what I got for this. I know some of the items, oh damn, a lot of the items didn't come, because some of the items in this drop are being pushed back to a later date, later month. So I didn't really get that much for this one, because I unfortunately chose a lot of the things that we aren't going to be getting for this drop anymore. So I already got the jeans. The jeans are pretty tough. I actually really like the jeans. But yeah, these are the, let's see. I think these are cargos, uncuffed cargos. Bang, I tried a new colorway. I don't know if you can really see it in the sun. Yeah, these are like, they have like the distress on them a little bit. Let's see. Oof. You can't really see in the sun. But yeah, new color. I kind of like it. I'm usually more, whenever I get my clothes, I'm more of just like, I just like the darkness, like the all black, sometimes black and white, or like black and gray. That's kind of like my vibe, but I actually kind of like this one. It's like a brown orange on it. So yeah, joggers are probably like my favorite thing. Favorite things that we get. I love wearing sweats and joggers. And then this Looks like a zip-up hoodie. Oh no, it's the quarter zip. Damn, yeah, this thing's tough. The last quarter zip we got was really good. This one's like a little more plain. It's just got Breathe Divinity right there. Boom. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna wear this a lot. That's for sure. And then, what is this? Oh, this I was so excited for. Cut Off Henley. Oh my gosh. It's kind of like a thermal material. I don't know if you can see that. This I am stoked to wear. I don't even know if I'll wear this to the gym, but oh my gosh, yeah. This is definitely can't wait to wear that. Oh yeah, thermal distressed oversized tee. Got this right here. This one is definitely sick as fuck too. This is badass. Breathe Divinity lately, actually just stepping it up with all the clothes. Everything's really pretty original. There's guaranteed a couple like new things every single month. I've really been liking it recently. So yeah, that's what I got so far. And then I got the BD pants. I'll probably just put a pic right here. The jeans, those are pretty cool too. So yeah, but let's just that's pretty much all I got for this video. Let's get into the bench, eh?
Falls into rhythm of movement. My eyes drink in the warm, low light. No thought, only bliss. Adapting to the darkness, and my entirety delights. When I meet your loving gaze, our hands touch. Our feet intertwine. And then your lips softly meet mine. For tonight, we dance. Breath. It falls into rhythm of movement. My eyes drink in the warm, low light. No thought, only bliss. Adapting to the darkness, and my entirety delights. When I meet your loving gaze, our hands touch. Our feet tonight, we dance. We dance.
Almost fell off on the first one. It's all right though.
Oh, that was the best feeling one yet. That was good.